Flat tires always seem to strike at the worst possible time. On your way to work, in the middle of nowhere, or just when you're running late. It's one of those moments that can turn your day upside down. But here's the thing, changing a tire isn't as intimidating as it sounds. You don't need to be a mechanic. You don't need a fancy toolkit. You just need a little know-how, some patience, and a few basic tools that are probably already in your trunk. So let's walk through exactly how to change a tire, step by step, so that the next time you're faced with a flat, you'll be calm, confident, and back on the road in no time. First, safety comes first, always. As soon as you realize you have a flat tire, slow down and pull over to a safe location. That means away from traffic, ideally onto a wide shoulder, parking lot, or flat area. Turn on your hazard lights immediately. If you have wheel wedges or bricks, place them behind or in front of the tires that aren't flat. This prevents your car from rolling. Next, gather your tools. Most cars come with a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench, often located in the trunk under the floor mat or near the back panel. Some vehicles might also include a small toolkit or wheel lock key if your wheels have anti-theft lugs. If you're unsure, check your owner's manual. Before you jack up the car, you'll need to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, but don't remove them completely yet. Use the lug wrench to turn each nut counterclockwise. If they're tight, and they usually are, use your body weight by stepping carefully on the wrench. You might need to remove a hubcap first to reach the lugs. Remember, loosen them while the car is still on the ground for stability. Now, position the jack. Your car has designated jack points near each wheel. Look for small notches or check your manual. Line up the jack under the frame next to the flat tire and raise the car slowly until the tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Make sure the car is stable as you go. Never crawl under the vehicle while it's on a jack. With the car elevated, you can now remove the loosened lug nuts completely. Keep them in a safe place, like inside a hubcap or small container, so they don't roll away. Then carefully remove the flat tire by pulling it straight off the wheel bolts. Now grab your spare. Line it up with the bolts and push it onto the hub. It should slide into place easily. Put the lug nuts back on and tighten them by hand as much as you can. Don't use the wrench yet. Just get them snug enough to hold the wheel. Lower the jack slowly until the car is resting on all 4 tires again. Now it's time to fully tighten the lug nuts using the wrench. But don't just tighten them randomly, use a crisscross or star pattern. Tighten one, then move to the opposite lug and continue until they're all secure. This ensures even pressure across the wheel. Double check everything. Is the tire snug? Are the lug nuts tight? Did you stow the jack and wrench properly? Once it all looks good, pack up your tools and place the flat tire in your trunk. You'll want to get it repaired or replaced as soon as possible. But here's an important note. Spare tires, especially the small donut ones, aren't meant for long distances or high speeds. Check your owner's manual, but generally, don't drive faster than 50 miles per hour or farther than 50 to 70 miles. Get to a tire shop promptly to replace or repair the flat. Let's recap with a simple checklist. 1. Pull over safely and turn on hazards. 2. Secure the car and gather your tools. 3. Loosen lug nuts before lifting. 4. Jack up the car at the right point. 5. Remove the flat tire. 6. Mount the spare and hand tighten lugs. 7. Lower the car and fully tighten in a star pattern. 8. Pack up and drive carefully to a repair shop. And here's a bonus tip. Prepare ahead. Keep a flashlight, gloves, tire gauge, and rain poncho in your trunk. A portable tire inflator or sealant can also buy you time if you're stuck somewhere remote. The more prepared you are, the less stressful the situation becomes. Changing a tire might seem daunting if you've never done it before, but once you've done it once, it becomes a valuable life skill you'll never forget. It's empowering, it saves time, and it could even save you money by avoiding tow truck fees. So don't wait until disaster strikes. Practice changing a tire in your driveway just once. Familiarity makes all the difference. Because the truth is, flat tires are inevitable. But being helpless, that's optional. Now you know exactly what to do, and the next time it happens, you won't panic. You'll pop that trunk, grab your tools, and take care of it like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more practical how-to videos every week. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, knowledge is power. The next time you're stuck on the side of the road, you won't need to call for help. You'll be the help.